different ways. In my basic biological concepts class, which is a 2-credit non-lab developmental level class, I've tried everything, I think. I have some success and some failure always. But in Unit 5, I have a little bit of everything here. All of these practices were built in SoftChalk. And a little bit of the lecture so that they can hear and see is built in LiveScribe that Beth Wood talked about. I have the older version. It was $150. It's 1 gig. And it lets me upload 250 megabytes to their server. And then if I play that first, just a little bit of it. So you can make it full screen. And it usually talks. I don't know if I don't have audio.
Oh. Paula, see the red button in the middle top on the, hit that. Oh.
That's interesting. There it's talking.
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
anyway.
audio up at the
You just have to hold the mic up to where it's speaking.
Anyway, it's me talking about functional groups. It's not that exciting. But, but that way they can hear them, because students were calling me and saying, what's that coup? What's that C equals? And I'm like, what? Oh, you mean the carbon double bonded to oxygen. Or the carboxyl group when they said coup. So now they hear me saying them, and they have the option with this LiveScribe of showing it in preview like I am, or you turn off the preview so you don't have that annoying faded out stuff, or you can have the whole thing on at once. And if you go to the actual LiveScribe page by clicking here, they can send it to themselves as an email, they can print it as a PDF, they can save it as a PDF, and then they can also leave me remarks or questions. Let's hope nobody's done that today. But, so that's LiveScribe embedded in the class. So there's the same thing that they can do it, but here's your email, download, or get a link, so they can just go directly to it without having to log in again to the class. And now it's playing twice. Let me get those closed. Okay. So then once we've learned our functional groups, or think we did, then in SoftChalk I have practice, which in this case are card games. And I don't own SoftChalk, and I don't get to write it. It's the schools, and I mean, I don't have anything to do with the SoftChalk company. I wish I did, to fix it, because as you see, it doesn't fit the screen always, and I don't get to choose the size of the cards. This is the biggest I've ever seen them, because I have smaller computers. So, but you click on the card in this case, and it lets you embed a picture, not a very big one, and then the name. And so what I'm after in this learning is the amino group, for those of you that aren't chemists, are the blue and the yellow in this ball and stick system we have in our chem lab. And then the amine name, and so that goes with the amino group. And so if the student pulls that to the right group, they get a little happy noise. If they pull it to the wrong place, you get a little noise. So you know right away what you're doing. And so again, I tried the picture because I was trying the symbolism. I'm not real happy with the pictures on that one, but the name is there. That's what, the main learning goal on the card game for that one. The others are other parts of it. So that was functional groups. This is chemical name with the chemical family. This one's chemical name with the formula based on the prefixes. So different games in SoftChalk. It's warning about the points. Again, I don't have any of these as gradable items. They're all self-assessment. This one's just a matching built in SoftChalk rather than in StudyMate.